Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, i-share ko sa inyo guys ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Hungary. Ang 10 foreign coins na mayroong taon na 1988. So share ko sa inyo guys ang kahalagahan nito. Tapusin ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Hungary. The 1988 Hungarian 10 foreign coins holds modest value in the numismatic market, with its worth largely influenced by condition and collector interest. The mintage and composition. The mintage is 5 million pieces. Composition is aluminum bronze. And the market value in circulated condition is approximately 0.07 US dollar up to 0.21 US dollar. The uncirculated condition is up to 0.84 US dollar. The estimates are based on data from Numista and reputable numismatics resource. The auction listing from AB, a 1988 10 foreign coins is listed for 3.46 US dollar. And MA Shops, a 1988 10 foreign coins is very fine condition or in very fine condition is priced at 2.64 US dollars. And the factors influencing value, the conditions, coins in uncirculated condition or mint condition command higher prices. And the rarity with the mintage of 5 million pieces, this coins is a relatively common. And the market demand, collectors' interest can affect pricing. The 1988 Hungarian 10 foreign coins is accessible to the collectors with the values ranging from a few cents to a few dollars depending on conditions and market factors. And this coins is less abundant than some other issues. It is not classified as rare in the numismatic community. So yun guys, ang mahalagang impormasyon tungkol sa baryang ito guys ng Hungary na mayroong taon na 1988. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.